some hearts. Some hearts. Some lovely hearts there. All the lovey-dovey people out there. Here we go. Let's make a little female heart first. There we go. That's nice. Right around like that. Can everybody do one like that? That's nice. And we'll give her some little feet here. There we go. That's good. Maybe one up here like that to complete the first leg. And then another leg down here, just like that. And now we're gonna go across. And continue this foot up here like that. That's nice. And bring that on up. Just like that. There we go. That's looking good. And now what we're gonna do is start the other part of the heart. Right in there. So there's a little bump. It almost looks like a bum. Just a little bum. Just like that. And then we're gonna continue the girl hearts down. Girl heart's arm like this. There we go. 2 lines just like that. Looking good. And she can be 1, 2, 3, right around like that. That's good. That's a nice one. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have her eyes here and another eye here. And we're gonna have them closed. So we're gonna draw some eyelashes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's nice. And why don't we give her some lips? There we go. Fun mouth like that. There we are. That's beautiful. Big old smile like that. Ain't she a cutie? All right. Now let's make the boy heart. Giving this girl a big hug. There we go. We'll start him right here, right up there at the top. Coming around like that. That's a nice one. Then down here like this. That's looking good. And now because he's going to be behind her, we're going to continue his body down here, just like that. There we go. Everybody good? Now we can draw his legs. 1. And his foot will be behind hers because he's behind her. And continue that along like that. And then up like this. There we go. There's his first foot. Now we'll draw this bottom part, his spiky bottom part like that. That's looking good. And then we'll bring another leg down here like this. And across like that for his last foot. There we go. Isn't this nice? Up like that. And the reason we've left spots here and here are for their arms and their hands to come across, as if they're hugging one another. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, and that will be her hand. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, and that will be his hand. And we're gonna join them up like that. And it looks nice. And now we can draw the boy's face, and we'll have his eyes closed too. Just like that. Just a couple lines like that and like that. And a big old smile. These are his cheeks. 1, 2. Join them across like that. Looking good. Come all the way down. I like it. We'll give him a tongue. And some teeth. There we go. Looking good, everybody. 2 hearts. Lovely. Now let's go to the color time. So we've got pink for the girl heart. Really light pink lips. When we've got red for the boy. And a tongue color. Looking nice.